This is my fifth assignment, video course project presentation for EDSN 657, Early Literacy Instruction, Birth through Pre-K, by instructor Ellen Cook, PhD. And this assignment is brought to you by Linette J. Dunn, Spring 2018. For my lesson, I have a primary learning target. The primary learning target is Domain 5, Cognition and Knowledge of the World. Social Studies. Standard 6, Part C. Applying the skills of communication, cooperation, respect, and empathy for others. The supporting learning target is Domain 4, Communication, Language, and Literacy. Standard CLL 6, Part B, English Language Arts and Literacy, with prompting and support using words, phrases acquired through conversations, reading and being read to, and responding to text. Okay, so all these materials were picked because they move my students towards the primary learning target, which is to be cooperative, respectful, and empathetic towards their peers. My first lesson involves a gallery walk. The gallery walk involves children looking at what negative social interactions look like. You know, they're calling him names, getting aggressive physically with somebody. And then they have 6 pictures that have and depict positive social interactions. Comforting a child after they lost their balloon. Picking someone up when they fell. After the gallery walk, I have teachers and volunteers, parents, go throughout the class and have students dictate what they think each child in the depiction is saying. For instance, if they think that these children are making fun of the new boy, they would put talk bubbles, right? And say, he's probably saying this, this, and the other. He's saying this. How do you think he's feeling? He's probably feeling this. Whatever the children dictate is written down in the talk bubble. This is to improve orthographic awareness. The same goes here. When she's crying, the child dictates what they think she might be saying, and then what they think these children might be saying by the end. The same here. These talk bubbles are put in front of each thing. For the second lesson, I would have them go and attempt to perform these things. I would have them use the lines to the best of their ability and have them perform at a stage, maybe in the school auditorium, or some sort of space where they could perform it at a library, right? A bigger space that accommodates all students and all movers, for wheelchairs, like basically making everything really accessible for all the students. My last lesson is Introduction to a Poem, right? And what I do is I take the poem and I add other lines to it, and I cut each line. After cutting each line, I have students arrange them themselves and then perform the poem in front of the class. After this, it should set the stage for why rules are necessary. And that's all for today. Thank you so much.